After I learned how to make salad like this, my family asks every week. Start grating 150 g of green cabbage. Look how it looks beautiful and crispy. Then cut a unit of red onion. This onion will bring a special flavor and a touch of color to our salad. Soon after, cut 120 g of ham into small slices. And who does not love a little bit of ham, right? Now, in a nice glass bowl, add half a unit of chopped lettuce, 1 unit of diced tomatoes, 170 g corn, grated cabbage, onion, 1 unit of grated carrots, sliced ham and 80 g of olives. Wow! Look at this vibrant combination of colors and flavors. Then it's time to prepare the sauce. Add 100 g of cream, 2 tablespoons of mustard, the juice of half a lemon unit, salt to taste, pepper of the kingdom, chimichurri, and mix everything with joy. Now, pour this delicious sauce over the bowl ingredients and mix with care. It's time to unite all these amazing flavors. And here it is. Our sensational mixed salad of lettuce and ham, ready to make you salivate. Water in your mouth, didn't it? If you liked this recipe, don't forget to like and follow our page for more amazing tips like this. Bon appetit and see you for the next culinary adventure.